Bloomberg just came out with this article today. Let's check it out. More Americans are losing their homes as foreclosures on U.S. property rises. So I've been tracking short sales and foreclosures in the Sacramento market for the past year. My name's Alex. I'm with eXp Realty, and I've been running this page. It is all of the short sale and foreclosure listings currently in the MLS on the Sacramento market. Right now we have 28. That seems like a low number because it is. It's been as high as 35. It's been as low as 23. But 28, see, it's a little bit low. So let's take a look a little deeper. 252 properties are currently have a notice of default filed against them. And this is in the past 90 days. So in the past 90 days, we've had 252 notice of defaults filed on properties. And here's where they lie. And this number's been on the rise. Notice of sale. Now, these are properties that have had the 90-day notice of default, and now it's gone all the way through, and now a notice of sale has been issued. There's 40 right now in our market. The interesting thing about this market that differentiates itself from what we went through in 2008 is equity. Look at this number, 31%. That's the amount of average equity in these properties that have an NOD filed against them. That's a good thing because now, unlike 2008, these homeowners who can't right the ship, they have an exit strategy. Unfortunately, it's to sell their house. But instead of talking about how much money they're going to lose, like we talked about in 2008, what they're going to talk about is they're just not going to make as much because they're having to do a distressed sale. So with this amount of equity in the homes, I will hope that many of these homeowners aren't going to try and ride this thing out thinking a miracle solution is going to come along. Their only option is to sell their home. Unfortunately, interest rates have doubled and the lenders have tightened up their lending restrictions. So if you can't manage your payment now at a 3% mortgage rate, how are you going to manage it at 7%? It leaves you with very few options. So I never want to see a homeowner lose their home, but in 2008, I helped a lot of homeowners with short sales. I went through that pain. We did short sale listings. And I saw homeowners continually trying to hold on to hope that there was a solution, but unfortunately, there just comes down to the point where there just isn't one. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but that's unfortunately the market that we're in. I do a lot of cash buyer deals, so I have investors behind me, and we go in and do cash offers for homes. And unfortunately, we do that for a lot of homeowners that have pushed their options to a last resort. Don't be that homeowner. If you're in trouble now, you got to get a hold of your realtor, you got to get a hold of your lender, try and work out a solution, but be realistic because this is a tough market that we're in. Like I said, rates have doubled and lenders have tightened up their restrictions. So I hope you find this information useful. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.